Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are ready for today's unboxing and swatch. Yes, this is a Born Pretty video, guys, and I absolutely cannot wait to get into these colors. So we're going to get all this packaging opened and we're going to get swatching. These are the three colors we're going to start off with swatching. So I've got Ice Jelly 05 and Ice Jelly 06, and I also have Glitter Jelly 08. Now if you remember, I did unbox a few glitter jellies in a previous unboxing, so I'm going to go in with this one because I really, oh yes, this was given all of that light pastel lemon and oh, this is really beautiful. And even just as a share jelly, it's so gorgeous, and that shimmer in there. I mean, these jellies were stunning anyway, but I will build this up. It's giving very gold, not very giving gold. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my second coat of this glitter jelly because you can really build up this. Oh, this color is actually so beautiful. So with one coat you definitely see all that translucency, but you can still do two coats, and what I love is it's still jelly and very transparent. So it's like seeing right through ice. It's really beautiful. So the last color we're going to swatch is the Ice Jelly 05, and you can tell I went backwards because this is pink, and oh, I cannot wait. So yes, now I have another jelly pink, but it's not like this. So Nail Sister Pre-K's Nails was asking if there was, and I knew there'd be a difference because it did look different on the swatch online. So I actually will do a swatch of the other pink jelly that I have just to compare, but this ice jelly is beautiful. So I swatched the other jelly pink that I have from Born Pretty, and that's JN38. Now you can see such a vast difference in those two jellies. This is giving more like a pastel jelly, and this looks more like a neon jelly. So I'm actually just really in awe of these ice jellies. They're so beautiful. Now I cannot help myself, I just want to know, let's see the clarity. Now I'm going to use this Born Pretty 5-in-1 top coat, and literally just try and get 3 drops. And that's exactly what I didn't want. Look at the clarity of those water droplets. That jelly is so ice. Now I'm very happy with the jellies. So beautiful. That glitter jelly 08, so beautiful. So we're gonna get on and try this solid nail tips gel. I've not tried this one before. So this is, you know, different packaging. I love the fact it's in a tube. You have 30 grams, and it is a solid nail tips gel. Cure under LED light for 60 seconds, or UV lamp for 120, and for that's for a complete dry. So we are going to get into this. You have instructions and warnings and ingredients at the back. So I'm going to give this a test on my practice finger. So I had a tip already ready. So actually, before I do that, let's get this nail ready with some base. So I'm going to get some of this glue. And I'm going to try to squeeze from the bottom. It does feel like there's nothing in there, but I think it's just the texture of the gel. So I'm just going to put some in the tip and going to just apply a little bit of pressure and wow, the suction on this is definitely different. Now I'm looking to see if it's going to raise, and it actually isn't, so I may not even have to hold this in the lamp. Oh, Bon Pretty, I'm very impressed. This is good. I'm going to put some of this pink on the nail. I'm going to use this top coat. I have wiped the nail and everything, and just going to do it French. So I'm going to use the applicator that came with this chrome, and I'm going to get that chrome on the nail and really just rub it in. This looks really, really nice on this jelly pink. So I'm just going to add some of this gel liner LP04. Thank you all so much for watching. I really do love this nail. It's giving very, very princessy vibes. And I love how the chrome looks in matte. This pink in matte, OMG. Now let's just compare it to the glossy. So muted in matte. It's so beautiful. So this brings me to the end of the video, guys. I absolutely love these ice jellies. This Ice Jelly 06. Looks like there's real water droplets in there. So definitely come back with another set. And I'm so sorry, I have to do a whole set of this. I was just going to do the smile line, but I'll do it properly because there were some areas where the chrome. Now, low-key, I actually do like this because it's given a very distressed chrome look. So I actually do like it. And, you know, looking at it, I'm thinking, ooh, if that was glossy. But I do like it in matte and having the shiny gold on top. I'm Mama Does Nails, guys, and I'm out. Please feel free to use and share the discount codes on screen, and you can save yourself some money when you shop. This little chrome packs a whole punch. It's so beautiful. All the gels are beautiful, and I've tried this nail tip gel glue. Definitely going to be trying this on my own phalanges just to see, but using it on this practice hand, I got a gist of it, and it's very, very good. The adhesion and the suction of it, that's what we're looking at, because I don't like using clips. So yeah, I'm definitely going to be back, and I'm going to do this on my nails. I'm definitely going to do that pink on my nails, because you know I'm the pink charm sister. Anyway, guys, I love you, and I'm out. Bye.